We're here at Ferrari in Bryanston and we've been asked to come and wrap this counter of theirs. It's currently red, it's in really bad condition. We're going to wrap it in K1, which is our black, and the shelves in J3, which is our white. Lots of preparation needs to be done, and we're going to put the Ferrari emblem on the front again. It's going to be a really cool project. Prep always takes the longest amount of time, but it's important to not take any shortcuts. So here we've cut out all of the bad wood, we've body filled it, and now we're going to get a nice straight edge over here before we do the final wrap. Well, the counter ended up coming out really nicely. We did a lot of prep work, more than expected. We put our primer on and we wrapped it in the beautiful K1 and the J3 shelves at the back. Super happy. Our customer Scuderia, Bryanston Ferrari are super happy with the end result. If you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.